Episode for high GC News, Mima Obibia Akwaba, Ahadia, latest and hot news, and Kwa Era Mede Bravo. And it is a winner subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say over subscribe. The way I say over click the subscribe button, na wabeli notification. We are a video for free be upload with the first person once a beka a video. Ave we are na wa like video and give us a thumbs up na fe share ma wo foforo so da when you be here na wo ensemo ayekoso Ghana memoir ave yembura ye ensemo abeto yepno so eye KT Kevin Taylor and there was no jandam eye John Dramani Mahama eye the president I sworn in onye the eye 1 week crowd office akoye nsembere eye dum so challenge na abeto no so na no na manfo webre ede so bo e bo say wotimi wo solve me house no eye previous government eye Akufo Addo ene ne nkrofo one na criticize problem asika say kwande to fuel e bitimi dia power eye plant no ene na akoye nsembere na no na eye vim lady fiapokwa TC eye John Dramani Mahama so a say dum so issue what to be a man in only ade na no na Kevin Taylor si no jandam hene ha any KT TC ne so enya sekitwa nse Kevin Taylor de wonyawa wonfa wonche wasembe to no proso de ne wo kranke ye ene wa ye vim lady pasa sa so na ye century ba ko so kuma se ye Kesben FM ono so de NCB atudwa fa ye du so no awode so boybo ye John Dramani Mahama say what solve our problem and so KT asudmu ene awareness chese wa ono so pasa ye ensembibri ententemara ye ko eye KT akachi yogoti ye sema ye Kevin Taylor edi tuja yeti ne nsema abode tuja retiro.
People should see you in a different way. People to see you say you have changed your ways by changing the criminals. What's that the Afenyo Markins now the 137 echo position enya 80 woman as a begina parliament. You are telling us say the fooling you were fooling that we did not like, you still don't care. You don't even respect us. So the same fools now say they begina parliament. The NPP as a political party, they lack common sense. They are stupid. Now, John Mahama has been president for 3 days. Professor Nana Opoku has been vice president for 3 days. NPP, tribal jandam journalists won't be started. And what they are trying to do now, and say, they want a year end doomsday crisis now, hanging around albatross, a day in Kumna, a Ghana na, we are trying to solve, 3 days now, John Mahama be the president, right now, they are trying to tell Ghana for say John Mahama na de a doomsday no eba. Now the Kweku for that na Ghana so 8 years on the Bawumia. 8 solid years. Every single day on Metna power from 2017, they told us to say we have excess power. Now, Pobe the energy minister. Amewu the energy minister. Napo the energy minister. And the Kwasi when the energy minister. Now, the question here is, so Uba and I was na John Mahama solve a dumso. And I will be solve dumso and a sour excess power. Also, John Mahama ja excess power. Eye den na uja free power 3 days. Na ye nya eye petrol and power generators. It as a normal Ghanaian, no, why should I blame a president or a government that has led for only 3 days? Office kro mo betina kra ye nyan sorti office ne out. Baby John Mahama betina assign documents kra ye nyan clean ho wiye. Minister John Mahama be yikura no onyan yi wiye. The cabinet nye ready. The vice president office crown on setting it up in year. This is a preparatory period. They are trying to put a government together. Even parliament that was sworn in before John Mahama, a president, they are still having orientations. Parliament is still having orientation. Parliament the majority of they have to be refreshed. They have to be taught how the standing orders work. Parliament is not operational. So, what will make a journalist today quickly go on radio or on TV to say, NDC Abano was almost solved them so. Now, in 3 days, you may power no, or now what they are trying to do, and then they say, they want to force you to believe, say, John Mahama did saba. Because party MPP, no, I say Ghana. And my catch them. Some from the radio city TV, so majority of them they don't wish this government well. Now, so when you're careful, now some more kasa TV so obeju so many nyansa 99% of them, they are foolish and ignorant. They are stupid. They are enshrined in their tribe. Until they are not able to separate tribe from issues. We all need to ask very, very, very vital, simple questions. Answers. How can the government come to power 3 days? Now we blame you for doing so. How? How do you do that? When time Adams kind budget, what happened? The mini budget before we crossed over to 2025. What happened? Now, Mamen Kochrawa DB, Muntie Galway. Jandam Renyo.
So, Kaya me, I'm a time and I make a tell before say. Someone so can and one. Not just some of the more Luzukra because they will do so around me. And before by 2017, what they told us was that most of the contract not exaggerated cost, no. And you all hear renegotiation of the impactment of history. It's in our Mama video or say. Before generation capacity account here, me say 2014, 2015. The reason why the NBC time no Doomson one was about what? A generational capacity. And before by we renegotiation, we see a new generational capacity problem with them. But the problem that we had was about what? Financial capabilities. So why are we going back to them so? So between NBC and NPP, no big didn't drop. And that's why Parliamentary Select Committee on Energy must be bold. They must have the balls to come and tell us the truth. Excuse my French. Because it's doing so now. And I don't hear a career issue on here causing financial loss, baby. We go to the jail. We go to that jail because there's no reason why. I also signing power purchasing agreements. I need to get it all. People don't read. Me patro generation we mu read yo. Generation we mu read. Yato abe NBC we they have super majority in parliament, but Ghana ni be our Ghana ni our citizen. And they was say very important to you. They say you must read the fine details, the terms of contract. You don't want taxpayers' money. Now more yato abe be sre nanado. Ebi sre Bawumia masa usre no one sre no yedo taxpayers money na yenye bi koto kane ano yede betu Bawumia ka upempo yede betu Bawumia ka yede betu na nadonka you can see him till that kingdom come yede wo tax no betu aneka yede wo tax betu petrol mano yede wo tax betu aduane amano understand the issues broadly.
She doesn't understand the issues and acting as if she understands the issues. That's my problem with this international transfer something. My issue with this thing, I don't know. Wabong on Jintumsa Wabong. You see what they are trying to do? Right now, no. They want it to look like, say, 3 days now, John Mahama about power, no. The problem that has been there for 8 years, no. It is John Mahama who has to solve it. It's a money problem. It is not generation problem. There be any problem. But when Timian can't just say, Akufo Addo Bawumia to me do 1 megawatt, eka, and I say 1 megabyte, whatever you want, eka, Ghana power who one can, no, it's fine. Right now, no, ni issue ni say NDC and MPP will be try and draw. Why they try and draw? This girl, or the most daftest girl I mean who on TV, on radio, wa bon. You can say oba bon. We were born. And you know the funny thing? Obia wa bono, they be or try in their head and they think they are smart until when they start to spew nonsense. They feel so confident in their nonsense, no more spew, no. So it makes them feel so many answer. When you listen to this thing, dear Nana Oka, well, as small can any tin in the 9 way. As some Nana Oka and niti and in the 9 away. You people don't read. You people don't read. And a generational problem. And a capacity. As some Nana, ne crack and saying. The crack say, you blame the new government now, Bano. I didn't a doom so be ba. But in your own statement, you say, May not doom so ho. And I'm a so June. You admitted Senna doom so ho answer your Mahama power. But did you tell the people no muti to say when a transition team met Akufo Addo's government and asked them about to say diesel any crude na I was say the power generators no matter how say anything else stop it WAPCO from the maintenance because talk abano. Why didn't you tell them say Akufo Addo man talk? Adena mama Asante sem mumu biye Jimmy Musa. Adendra. Into your Santinina or MPP ako positioner. Ghana issues bar. And also try now with the NDC. Why now NDC they are lying to you? Who is lying to you in the NDC? Why now NDC they are lying to you? You need to be questioning the government that was in there for 8 years. That was the same thing as Akufo Addo. He did a lot of mess. Or say Krono or no Danisha Tamil Sinsem. Oye single span salary ebeto ho or we no dan no kwatina peposo. Kofo be free power or kwa redenomination or we no kwatina peposo. Kofo be free power and dum so ojamusha Tamil Sinsem. Ya buy na say Atamils ni endis na dum so aba. En kwasiade we na masa start biom no. We have to dissect the government that just left office. Ede no mujato ho. That is the question we ask. Because as we speak today, there is no document about John Mahama Ayejuma. It's been 3 days. So why are you sitting there? The question we need to be asking is, so what did the government before do? Because we were here and na kwasiaba na po beka kire Ghana for say any timetable ya ton chiriye and yet do something a timetable. So why have we forgotten the lapses and the corruption now leading to a dear Echo Sunday to come and blame this government because kwasiaba or party free power? Who said we are not going to take care of Akufo Addo? Last metina ka kire mo me say Akufo Addo obi ambodi tu obi ankuno ono abewu within 6 months ono a ne boni be kuno. Nana Akufo Addo obeyare obewu obi ambodi tuo boni Akufo Addo edi no ebekuno because eyewo MPP no and you are so daft on anytime can say nipa na we be radio na we ti so no sanko is smarter than nipa we yanko obehu say this is where the weakness is because asema wo kan ni ti ene ne nan ewen asem na wo kan say eye den eye NDC and MPP they are lying. For the past 8 years, has NDC, have they been in charge of anything in Ghana? NDC, even in parliament, when they try to stop these fools from doing what they are doing, now the radio, so you don't want to speak on it. Inti doom sobande, not doom sobe koswa for 3 months. Why are you blaming John Mahama? Why? When John Mahama says he's going to come solve problems, sir. Into a two problem, that's a problem that on any so catch one. Wasiaba into ko Peace FM ura studio ho na obeye adwuma na ya sign contract ura ho mic ni ho no because mic ni wo ko busa say mic we na chesa wo you are against management ana. There's no mic. The mic is going to help you to work. The question is, before they came into power, these people were supposed to buy diesel. They refused to buy it. They used the money. So the question we need to be asking the past government is, why don't we have diesel? Because you can't tell me 3 days diesel in Asa. So tell us, how did this happen? Because even these people of our power, 3 days, they have not signed any document. So why don't we have diesel sitting there? People don't read. Now who read what you are saying? When you read, how do you understand what you read? I don't know how do you understand? You cannot hear saying, oh, the Aremeyaw Anas when you say, wabong, but I just want to answer. Ya follow Peace FM no. Ura studio say oko kind news no. Okoya mic ni ho no. O question management say where is the mic? There's no mic no. And it say what time management no. You are calling them because that is what is going to help you do your job. Now, the NDC government came into office. This government told us they have solved them so and that we will not have a generational problem or whatever problem. At this point, after 3 days, there's no light. There's no diesel. Into what are we blaming the NDC? I didn't blame John Mahama and the NDC for. Why are you telling us the NDC is not telling you the truth? The people who are supposed to be questioned, tribal political party, no. Question them. Busomo, why are we here after 3 days? John Mahama by omunum diesel nina. The day near Sir John Mahama ino, omukonum petrol nina. Mumusan kwasi afo no na chichide di omanimu no say. Na moka chire didn't you people tell us that you people have made sure that we have energy, we have diesel to power our generators? And these fools sit on TV. Now more catch the Ghana for they should read. There's so be already be at the Any fool can read. Any fool can read. Kwasiebia to me kinkai. Na entiasia ni nehia. Kwasiebia to me kinkai or twimbia to me kind news or radio so. Na news no send be making nyansa no ene ne hia. Enti you don't read the youth of this day. Who read eh? And international na be boy out there be. Who read you know. Utini de pem ban ene ebo to. The issue is, how did we get here today? Senka John Mahama's administration they have been in power for 6 months, 7 months. Now me experience do so, then I'll be like, you know something? At least the people who left office, they were able to leave a backlog. I know. Answer on free office, no, they made sure said diesel the power plant are running. You were supposed to run from there. Before John Mahama entered office, near Doom plant, diesel new ho. Now the question at America catch Ghana for they don't read. They don't read in Ghana because what about international? What to the international Albert in America into Ghana for they don't read. And there was some pre with Eddie Pokra for with him to just your cocoa. Sam Kwasia deal way no mobile from now. And we are not supposed to stop. We are not supposed to stop. We need to stay on them because with him, a deal way a deliberate too. And some now say, or can in seminar kodru baby no or see Bawumia ubetia ne kasa na ne Akufo na oblemu no. What she's trying to tell you when you say abana woto and what ababoni, that is what this thing is trying to tell you. The opposite catch on say adentina woto abama Mahama, don't blame Bawumia, don't blame Akufo Addo. Kwasia, we shouldn't blame them. Who should we blame? For 8 good years these people were paid. For 8 good years they told us that omo power generators. And then 8 good years, 3 days away from power generators in Edum. Ana yama visa na bedroom so good. Adiedim na empower Ghana. Mona mahemu son. Yama visa na bra na bedroom so good. Na Johnson in diesel na petrol generator in juma. Mo yankwasiafo. Yama mo chance ni biem. Me humba bebre wo radio so. Opa oba wa bon wo radio so as I get away. I'm telling you. Where in your catch no one radio with the ultimate catch you uko radio so come despite the obejo kwasi asam na no radio so she knows nothing ombreno wants me enchire na de ombreno wants so the jandam now mo person this is how they want to start it. This is the strategy. So right now they are going to make you feel say problem here John Mahama de baye they are going to make you feel say well abana woto and one to abapa John Mahama has been president for 3 years 3 days 3 days 3 days. In 3 days, when we Juma John Mahama 3 days when we Juma John Mahama Kwasiafo betena Ghana so 8 years. E Juma John Mahama in 3 days in Kwasiafo ntuma nyebi. 3 days we are on radio screaming and want to bring our stupid tribal things out because your party free power. Kwasiafo MPP ba power. When ntuma kan okra nkyere Kwasiafo wi. Mo betena radio so na mo to be. Na mo bubu be. And I wait the analysis bina so where the obey the den and the anymore and I buy where the kwasiaba and the when you know ebe kase NDC who be advise NDC who be blame NDC 8 years mo betra radio so na mubu be kwasiafo 8 years 2017 kwasiafo ba pa na betra kurum ha I don't want him 8 good years mo betra radio so ye betuma bom voice a kire mo e ho na mubu be an ye de anim ewiase de nipa bu a otu omfo nte na aban de se ne ebe ye no ontumi nka asem no and when we say John Mahama ni NDC aba omo de omo ya accommodating kwase asem enti I say ote ebuom wo hwe na no fia seven I say ote ebuom I say antrohwe e na otete mic ase na okeka kwase asem why wonim say antrohwe ba etete mic ekika kwase asem question the administration na omo say omo de omo ya adwuma no share a car at Daho billions of dollars every single time. IPPs, they are independent power producers. They were telling the government, pay us our money. Kwasiaba na motete radio so man kan bibia. Go and ask the IPPs how much this government is owing them. Munko busa omo. Munko busa IPPs no. Billions of dollars they are owing them. They were not paying them. Every time these IPPs can say, unim, you pull it out. You can't afford to be after the money they just incurred debt. You people did not see anything wrong. Mo papa Japadi and Anke and Sanke Bemude. Now Monsha dear, my catch them. Doom so Jandam, Monko Kesbin. Kwasia we so kasa.
Yes, Kwame. First of all, NAPO. He has every right to tell us the state of Ghana energy, the power. They make what I say. Mr. Krapa issue ya okay. Kwabe.
Yes.
Let's also babontin ebe kire yen. DM original poor you just swipe the person, but what may details say what is left can only cater for this country for 5 hours, right? The oil now can for 5 good hours. So next Gura about crapper babontin obeka say no, it is never true. We left this a bit me cater for us for beer this period of time. Then automatically you have assigned the media to cross check, and I say the media to chase that fact. So we go then not obubi yeah dear one can ask me yeah we say but you see coming honorable Abujnapo
yeah
my main case ask me see infantry the oil
yes man. Yes,
all right to do that to tell her the state, but Ghanaians are not interested. Ghanaians wouldn't be interested in this. I'm telling you. He made us to understand that government needs $50 million to buy fuel. That was about 4 months ago, 3 months ago. Our parliament, as a ranking member of Energy and Mines Committee. He said it. So it is there that there's no money. And so today, Saaka only 5 gallons, even 1 liter. Obiad me said there was no money. You understand? That is why we voted against this government. The reason why they voted out this country, they voted out NPP. They say, state na ni woman. And Kofosi you need $50 million to purchase fuel for the thermal plants. And $50 million na yenyano. Adiano kwa na ekofomedum. So we voted out NPP. Send ye buy adianu dum kra. That is that. And what about power?
Yes,
man. Yeah.
Men are now what you conquer Asante region. And what ya umasono. He's not interested in the technical things going on. The debate. Go and look for this money. Go and fill the gas. Today is a doomso the bar. Ubiabe catcher say Mahama brought doomso. Akufo Addo came to kill doomso.
Yes,
then Mahama came again. Doomso is there. I'm telling you. Because he's giving us a picture. Jamaican watch I say. Because Kwame here. Say that be kwa nebia u free case bena
yeah
microphone ya adwuma anabisa Kojo Preko ma meju su Mr. Kojo Preko Mr. Kojo Preko eko microphones ni bi nya adwuma we nya adwuma obi fofo eba nipa na oba because of that na a delivering koso entimi nkoso yi nipa na oba enkofo se Mr. Preko nyaade ene ye de na eko nipa na oba he has no excuse to complain because listeners know at 8 a.m. say delivering a here omo
yes man
Jamaican what say it you free say Mr. Preko nyaade and yama na comedy perform ba you have no right to complain about me buy no microphones nya adwuma ne that nobody is interested in that the otie na otie wan kokko no wonim saade no woni ha and wetie yai they should move and go and work. Whether Herbert Krapa will come out with idea you and you say so addressing here as I say more details. Yes, as a former energy minister, we need details. Jamaican what I say. But one farmer who loses?
No.
Yes, he's gone. That is why people were not interested in Boakye Agyarko's jargons. He was telling us that NDC have signed a contract, take-or-pay contract with independent power producers. We were paying $40 million every month. Nobody was interested in that. What we're interested in say keep the light on because Mahama brought your friend say Ameri mebwa. He brought Ameri and
car power.
Yes, car power. And 3 months before the election, there was no doom so.
Yes, man.
Election 2016, there was no doom so. It's a fact, mebwa. So you came to power. Nessa normal el kochwa. Tell the people the truth and find question the previous government. They are gone. There's no amount of excuse, no amount of technicalities and legalities to tell us who the BB question and now do not Kwaku Annan. Say be cry or say be asabi or we na be papa bit in the baby. He's watching. So go and fix the problem. Then move on. Don't go casting be the power. I would have wished, Kwame, this country yes swallow your egos. Now you borrow ideas. Salif Johnson told President Mahama, which I read it yesterday, that John, you have a major role to play as you leave the state house. You still have a major role to play to develop Ghana, Africa, and worldwide, because we need your competence. We need ideas. Some normal can American tisao. Other advanced countries no more advanced no. You call Badebia and Yajanetisao. Alan has the great transformational plan. He said that let us use nuclear. Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia is telling you that we use solar panels so that it can cut down the energy, cost.
Sir, Wangasawati, Kesbin FM. Wabotai. I call any specialty in the day. I debate no yes post. I debate not entertainment so. Or Kasati said you name answer. Do can you kwasi asem? He's pained. Maybe some be some simple question. Sanko for amutitu we amutitu to siogo mo tapa. Did he know say na Ghana deca over $50 million and sana MPP free power? It took Abu Jinapor John to come and tell us on as a ranking member in parliament and Obeka Chere before elections to say Ghana deca. You hear this amount of money. Did he know? Sakwa not one. Wakoshe Cambodia suit be a etwapai. Here are the Jagopo. Wakoshe Cambodia suit etwapai ako a race course akoje tie. The shirt to mu yakoyo treation or hunting war because na genius Asante Jimmy. Inti wabetina ho. Me see the question I want to ask him and that fool sitting there so he host no. They do no research. Obudi fufu mo kan mo bomb ben kwan. No betina radio so I'm calling my petition. The question is Sanka Jinapor John and the country before say you hear $50 million and over and send in your power anka win him. Why don't you ask the NPP say why didn't they tell us that? We are kwasia. We are dying. Muma Jimmy na muti radio so you don't understand what you are doing. Inti Sanka Abu Jinapor and the country about 3-4 months ago say you hear over $50 million. And sana Canadian ejina so from some timer and think who out to one. I don't know when we saw MPP no. Say I didn't know one country say kada ho. Kwasia and their own person can want them. But you are quick to say they should solve the problem. Sanka MPP no catch a year ago say a kadawa and kata problem would have been solved. And takwasie and kasikam near campaign and can solve our problem no. And ka $60 billion now mko Bank of Ghana no and can solve a problem no. Anka kwa siampenyi ka cathedral sika and can solve a problem no with Jimmy. So you knew. Why didn't you blame? Why were you not blaming the government for hiding such an information from us? You want to blame John Mahama? Kotreba. Moana mo bodam. Mo ayana mo bodam. Mo just say nyina na edibo from kwan mo bodam. Mo bodam. Mo just say efo. Me say I mo bodam wo ochina wo can sports ochina wo can entertainment na akwa ofre to so say onim nyansa asema wo ka nyansa ba kumpo nim nyansa enti John Mahama be the president 3 days no o party nkwasia party MPP na for 8 years they knew that they were building debt no omo hide from we Ghanaians no. You are not blaming those people but you are rather blaming a government that has been in power for 3 days or your chain. And that so because radio so near the juma mo obi na so bana mic ni nye juma na se nipa no na de bia no ma me kire de omo ye we mu foolish MPP boys so so okasa no osian ne ma ne na bi o konkoli edin obebo no nte da omo create impression bi to utrim say omo asefo ne de omo ye nkurasefo nti omo de omo nti bibia ase enti de bia so steady boys we wo Asante for radio so a no akobo kuro bi say oh me na bi o won kwantambrade ono de obeti ase because opese unya idea bi say ono na asefo no nko school na na asefo no de omo te say robot omo no you cannot convince them sa no mo de aye ye nuanom asantefo no bia beduru ha what is waka say na bi otetema ne na bi otesunyane dabi obebo din bi na wa kire wo say omo de omo ye nkurasefo enti omo nkurasefo de ohia ne kanea na wanka ne kura nche kurasini na ebe de no so ba ekromni eni tina na pokwa siampeni ka kire Ghana fo ene asantefo ene asanteman se omo de t-shirt ni gele every say na adwini mu no ebi mu ye nkurasefo enti sa small boy we na nimu ba we se amane na asia begina o say I solve it because we don't okay me see John Abuginapo from your own mouth o see odena be ka kire say MPP for ye deka over $50 million did the MPP say it was a lie we Jimmy for na momodwen say ye nyina ye mmoa te se mumu bi on momodwen say mo betima tena radio so amisinform Ghana for senka o ye journalist a onim nyansa o nya journalist o radio na afo and obetina bi so senka o so ya branch a onim nyansa the first question you need to be asking is say so why didn't the NPP tell us that there was a death sitting there yeah and then the chest onim nyansa we Jimmy mo de pain mo the tribe na ye edien mo de cat politics anything de bia no mo wie no na mo to da hot say akoko kontwa mo the tribe ni pain mo mfa nyansa enya politics and discussing national issues because the question is simple say abino no hide a can from Ghana for that abino is an abaya and it's obi ati omo and then we are not supposed to blame this government because there was death. When they call it or raises alarm, no, the same John Abuginapo, why are you not applauding him and telling the NPP they have deceived Ghanaians? Because for the past 8 years, it means NPP nimse ekada ho no mutinaso and omunim se den debi no omu wini power omesa dadamo. Inti ende no sa better clear say na ekada why are you blaming John Mahama and the NDC? Echo you giant. Go back to your lessons. Oko church no be go paper so o ka se ba ko no ahwe a modwen se ye nyina ye Jimmy he on se o kasa no o se krapa na oye se ECG boss se de no ebe kasa ye no na nka o se krapa no den maye more clarification se ne be hu se ne be kasa now what stops you from going to krapa to question him we Jimmy for what makes you a media house? What stops you from calling Krapa on your show to question him and ask him those relevant questions? Oh, Kema Krapa na oya kromfo willingly wababo ncha beka nukra natural. Lazy ass niggas. And I'm on radio so. Lazy ass niggas. Go there and work. Ojan Krapa no enembe cheche muncho. Question Krapa. Go to him and question him. But you are sitting there for the Krapa who is a criminal to come and tell you he's a criminal? You are not going behind the scenes to go do your own checks. When John Abuginapo raised the issue, said we needed $50 million. Did you approach the minister then? Did you approach the energy boss then? You are fools. We are more dirty people. Mono nama petition ko di bofro nkwa betena radio so a mo hunyanyanyan na mo tutu ntosio mo bu nkwasi abe ene na mo pese Ghana fo gidi na mo de say kuro no. No. We need to be very, very honest in our deliberation and our discussions. Where is the problem coming from? Now just said John Mahama mobile and $300 million da ho and who jua tibia or de asla any those contingency fund to one can you say we have a problem today in kwasiafo we buy adebia John Mahama fund bi o create bia in nine where we no they finished the money. They did not leave anything. Introduce John Mahama to scan come back just a power ne bedum. Who wants to be associated with edum so we are boa. Hey mo me mamu warning. Me mamu serious warning. Hey, man, here there's somebody come because what you people are doing, you don't want this country to move forward. I have no problem when you speak the truth. I have no problem. So what can you create otchere omo mutie una? Me no any problem yeah. But some person the mic way say krona. You better say first. And sometimes people are like Kevin. You are not supposed to say people should go after them. Massa, Mike back say and say Rwanda. Mike, one person. Because of lies. Because of lies. Into millions of people. Because of Kwasiebi. Now Semba Kubia. Or yeah, now you so be trying to track crew into say the whole country. Let us not underestimate the power of a mic. Let us never do that. Let us not hide behind we are not going to be then somebody. No, we need to let them understand, because anything rules and regulations, every job be your rules governing the job. There's a reason why when you become a journalist, when you sit on radio, there are rules and regulations you need to work within. Because the moment you get out of that periphery or that rule, no, you are causing chaos and you are basically causing harm. And that is what these people are doing. They are not sticking to the facts. They are stepping out of the facts and then touching on people's sentiment, nerves. They are trying to incite groups against a government. That is dangerous. And they need to understand. It is dangerous. It can destroy this nation. It can destroy a whole generation. You don't let any fool sit there and say, because your radio sunti, me say. Let's take this simple. When a man who say a kadaho that NAPO otchere mukrobo no NAPO catch the Ghana for say the car. Yakobusa NAPO say eya dumusaba no say nyanko timetable nkwase afo mutena ho di manka bibia. John Abugina pono oye NDC ne beka kire mu say meti committee so e ka da ho nie mukọ eya minister lo question no manye mosora no panama kwase full suit abetena ho adan a ye ne e wa santimemu ye de tickets bi ye ne nim nyansa. You could not approach the government. You could not pose the questions. You allowed the debt to swell. And after a couple of months, I could do $90 million. Odo kwasiya de woto achinchere to say on tiasie na wona na bia oti konkono on de on tiasie we agimifo eno na ye dane no ye be ma wona na tiasie say wo udi na tro na ye pese oti no kore na se sebia mutwa atro to dwo Mahama so so on dum so ba ya and the Ghana for be hu no kore no ye mpeni biem e ma mutwa san tro no wona na oti konkono ne ye be ka no kore akire no agimifo mutiti radio so na nkwasiasam mutiti radio so mutu fin mon kenkan my adwene say ye de enka binyanko di ma o ga we de otomfo anka we de minim no we de menya na yi ase sankwase ade na muti radio so you are not looking at the bigger picture. You are not looking at the issues. Look at the real issues. Who is supposed to be blamed here? I nana Akufo Addo there or really biti baby into on the mfa no share. That is why we call account. Oh, when you get journalists sit on radio and TV to say the past government omo die enti eye damage omo be nyina no enya omo problem eye ne problem a oye kwasea. So tie journalists etina the radio so obi also ka politics e ka kire say oh aban na obaye no sa aban no omo be say bibia esi ade omo wie mu na mo power de ebe ma power no aye adwuma no say ye be kwakoso sankofo no pa. It's part of the governance. The accountability part is part of the governance. In kwasiafo we upamanne NDC for NDC MPP for Tringum Oma betena ho akem yehu bi da we dia witch hunting kwasia. How do you want us to solve our problems? How do you want us to get our money back? 90 million no and 50 million no why papa na emetua wo o ho apre a usu to ati no pastor out radio so e kasa utru mu nyina adori nsuwe wo ubetime $50 million. Where should we go get the money? Mahama ban no kasa another tax abeto so akwase ampen wa betena kasa and the NDC and the tax aba intin kwase afo no mu wie sika no. Why are you telling us omo de omo wie omo ti omo baby? No, they are still supposed to answer questions. They are supposed to be questioned. They are supposed to show us why this happened. Accountability is very vital when it comes to nation building. You cannot neglect accountability and expect a government to be able to succeed. No. Intimo sa jimino Mumi enjai. The problem we are seeing today, MPP in the course here, and they need to prove to us say, enyomo, I was say omo sikano omutia. A whole journalist sit and say, Akufo Addo we are kotenan onum ni wi inti ye na yembre. Inti Akufo Addo ne nkofo no sika ombe wi ana, you should not worry about it. But Mahama nkope sika mbra. Na wo papa na asase say. Yaka so obi anfa ne papa asase mbra wo papa wa asase. Yaka so obi anyi 20,000 Ghana obenya bi. Ofui. Instead of you to demand people to account for their stewardship, no, or kwasi to wash a race course tie. Gin so unyansa chen, unya santinina, or no jina kejetia air tompo buano. I will say, what a case been in tea. Sa Jimmy Kasa Webi, and this is the Jandam. Sanyuma we yam peneman koso. I am telling you, Ghanaians, yeah. Me started the 2025 season, I have not started. Me say 2025, I've not opened my season yet. But when it is necessary for me to step in, I'll step in. Anything in the umwaha. And sign your way no person started to mitrim, mama mani nyejuma. let's give John Mahama the room to work. 3 days, the John Mahama, 8 years, Akufo Addo, Bawumia Campaign. 3 days, the John Mahama, Ghana. 8 years, Sankwasiafo Intumanye. No pressure from anybody. No pressure. Because Kwasiafo, you didn't give Akufo Addo any pressure. No animal should give John Mahama pressure. He needs to work at his own pace. He is ready to serve and is willing to work. His experience, his record shows. The kind of people he's appointing now is showing, say, Monkwasi people, no pressure, no fool should try to come sit on radio. Baby, ma NDC for pressure. Baby, yes, I didn't there. And they won't take a break because speed in there, banner. I bet it's some falls in a. You people should get these things right. John Mahama and the NDC, every government to be a baby, we have the right to criticize the government. It's a fact. We'll be able to criticize them, but it should be constructive. You need to have facts. It needs to make sense. But so why didn't be say or power no or when people every power into person by force or the pressure be by NDC and the Ghana nenya would de and yes so de. We are going to stay on you fools for a long time. We are not going to stop. We are going to kill Jandam. John Mahama, Professor Nano Pokwajiman, NDC government, no pressure. 8 years, Kwasiafo, mama pressure. Akufo Addo to me ba Asante Memu, no akache Kwabena for some Kwasiafo, on your mokwan, don't penom ye. In Yan Namumbe Mashisha Munantem say in Fui Muntumankasa. Atichidia we are, Sebio, ye tulisha chobox mukotono, or ba Asante Memu de Nakonya Betnaso, Ekachre Munina, Mugua Asante Memu say. Kwabena for Omofam Kwasianko, on your quine, Omonto, Munina Mube Madane to say, dear Pocky, Echisha Munantem, Mutna Hodin to Tobe, Kwasiafo, Mobeaba, Hana Bube, Hana Mobet myself. Momema sanuma kasha there, momanin kamunantem. No pressure from nobody. John Mahama is going to work. You have the right to criticize. It should be constructive. Don't try. Nobody in Ghana on Hinio, Sofuo, Konfuo, nobody can give John Mahama pressure. Money bosom netina 8 years. When to mama the pressure. We are ready to help build this nation. See, NDC government is not wronger. People like us, we will use the facts to criticize them. Yeah. When the NDC government is wronger, I will not just come and sit here and say, hey. I'll bring the documents to criticize them. That is what we are going to do from today. Bring your facts to criticize. Do not use that's our pain, that everlasting pain that is going to be there for about 36 years. And some of who power be, don't try and use that everlasting pain to try and confuse Ghanaians. Yenjimi biemo. We are going to make sure the right things are done. We are going to make sure the government is given the room to deliver. We are going to make sure, say, every single thing be Obia need the right to think, say, obey to me the pain, yaw, be on the party, and Kwasia party be every power, any tribe or time be babatina radio. So you people won't take your break. John Mahama, no pressure. Professor Nano Pokwajiman, no pressure. They are the presidents in Ghana. They work and we believe in them. There's hope today. And we will make sure we guide them. We try everything possible to criticize them constructively with the right evidence to make sure they deliver for Ghanaians. That's it. Wow, why you so the other way? You better
Yo, waiting for winning and somewhere yeah, KT Kevin Taylor Eddie to drive and one more jandam gina wire one in a passa na KT Eddie and Semdu Nara and Atuja. Macau says so we can subscribe to channel idea Bomodi say open subscribe and had later and hot news and qua Aremeyaw bro. I feel we are now like if you don't give us a thumbs up. Now fee share my wofu frosuna when you be here now and somewhere I also got a memoir. Also bit me otchere wadring afire and some way now I comment boxing. Mubati Minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.